Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is made especially for 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about volume button not working problem if volume keys are not responding. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.